Dati nga pala guys, parati talaga kaming lumalabas. Simple lang yung buhay, hindi masyadong marami yung aming responsibilidad or hindi masyadong malaki yung ginagastos namin sa aming lifestyle dito sa Edmonton that time. Pero as time change, yun ding quality of life na kailangan mo i-provide is actually changing, kaya medyo lumalaki na rin yung gastusin. May binabayaran ka ng iba, instead na renta lang, naging mortgage na. Dito sa Canada guys, hindi na kailangan na mataas yung pangarap mo pag nandito ka sa Canada. In fact, makakahanap ka naman talaga ng trabaho na para sa'yo. At saka by the time na nag-spend ka sa trabaho na yan at nag-stay ka, ma-achieve mo rin yung hindi mo ini-expect ba na ganito na pala yung magiging status ng buhay mo. Kaya huwag mong pakalawalan pag nagustuhan mo talaga yung trabaho at yung trabaho na para sa'yo. Dahil one day, mamulat ka na lang na na-achieve mo na yung gusto mong ma-achieve. And also guys, confidential po yung sahod mo. Kaya huwag mong ipagsasabi sa mga kasamahan mo. Dahil magsiselos lang yan. At huwag mong sabihin yung mga plano mo unless sa boss mo. Yun lang talaga ang allowed na dapat mong pagsabihan na gusto mong mangyari sa trabaho mo.
What are you doing? I thought you want to see outside. Well, you guys, I can drop you guys in the mall. I don't want to.
DJ Matthias. It's your boy Squeezy. Only di ko mapigilan na lingunin yung chick na maluperang katawan, parang gusto kong sumama sa kanya kahit na di ko kilala. Nagdadalawang isip kong lalapitan ba kita, baka sakaling makausap ka. Huwag ka na munang aalis, yan sa pwesto mo mahirap na baka ako'y mapurnada. Nalanihiusay ay naku, mahirap na. Mahirap na. Ay nako, mahirap na. Di ko nga alam kung paano lalapitan ba kita. Lalapitan ka, baka lang mapangiya. Pag pinilit ko siguro baka biglang mawala. Baka mawala. Sa akin kang halika dito. Halika na. Sana ako'y mapansin mo. Gusto kong ibigay ang mga hiling mo. Ako'y sabik sa'yo dahil sa lakas ang dating mo. Awan mong malupet, makakita mo'y siksik. Malaki ba ang dibdib? Baka mo'y parang incheck. Liga dito nga saglit, pwede sa'kin dumikit. At paano nga sa puwet, na baka kumabigilan na lingunin yung chick na maluperang katawan, parang gusto kong sumama sa kanya kahit na di ko kilala.
Nagdadalawang isip kong lalapitan ba kita, baka sakaling makausap.
Ano? Ang tao. Grabe siya. Grabe siya. With binocular. Yeah. See? You can see the boat.
The longboat.
Yeah. Yung boat, guys. Ano yan? Parang anong tawag nito? Cruise ship. Yeah, cruise ship dito. Nag-cruise lang within Canada. Contour. Yan yung bagong bridge. Okay.
Kung lalapitan ba kita, baka sakaling makausap ka. Huwag ka na munang aalis, yan sa pwesto mo mahirap na baka ako'y mapurnada. Now let me hear you say, ay naku mahirap, ay naku mahirap, ay naku mahirap. Walang iyara ihiya atras abante.
You have to look for that treasure. Let me see the treasure. Oh, there's the treasure map. So, where can we find the treasure?
We're gonna
Here.
find it.
Hold this. This is our starting point. Where is our starting point? That one. Okay.
And we're
We're
gonna
gonna
go
get
here.
that one. Okay.
Okay, so where are we gonna go?
I don't know. You have to check where it is.
Oh wait, let's go start
Yeah.
here.
Uh-huh.
So come on, let's go. Hey, you have found the treasure.
Yeah, we have to find the treasure. Let's go.
Okay.
We're going.
Oh wait.
Whoop. Are you okay?
So we're going here to the couch. Is this the couch?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
So we're going back home.
Mm-hmm.
So here
I don't know.
we're going to the bed. Is this the bedroom?
I think so.
Are you sure that's the bedroom?
Not sure. It's up to you. You're the one who's holding the map. That means you are the one who knows how to navigate. Right, guys?
To the bed. Let's go.
Okay.
Treasure. It's fine.
Ano ka sa tubalay na
That's fine. So this is the one.
Mm-hmm.
Like this one.
Mm-hmm.
So let me see if the treasure is here.
Mm-hmm.
No treasure.
No treasure? I wonder where did they put that treasure.
So let's go back.
Oh, we're going back. Mm-mm.
We're going back. Oh, we didn't look. Oh, sorry. So we're going back.
Mhm.
Back. Okay.
It's okay.
We don't need that.
Mhm.
So we go here. Now we didn't look right in the TV.
Mhm.
So let's go. So we're going to the TV. We don't do TV. Here's the TV.
Oh, okay.
Let me see if there's treasure.
No treasure?
No. So let's go.
Mhm.
So we're going to my bedroom. Now, which one is my bedroom?
Where is your bedroom? What's this?
My bedroom.
No, that's the toilet.
So we have to go to the bathroom.
Okay.
Go to the bathroom. Is there any treasure? No?
No.
No treasure. So, let's go. Which one is the toilet?
Mhm.
Okay, let me check in the back.
Mhm.
Let's go check in the back. Come on, Dad.
Okay.
What are you looking for?
For treasure.
Treasure what? What kind?
We're
Money.
finding real.
Treasure.
Not there.
Mommy's gonna look for it though.
It's under the...
She's the
Daddy,
bad
don't tell me.
No, that's not Daddy. That's Mommy.
The bottom of the
That's the
toilet
bottom.
bowl. There's a lot of treasures. Golden treasure.
No. No, no.
In the sewer.
No, let's go. Look, just follow your instinct. Follow your heart. Where is the
So
treasure?
let's go to my bedroom.
Mm-hmm.
So which one's my bedroom?
This one here.
Here?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go. Where's the treasure? Where's the treasure?
Oh, you have a lot of stash of treasure in here. Got a nice treasure in here.
Where's the treasure?
Lots of treasure. Uh-huh.
Wait a minute. Where's the treasure?
I don't know.
Okay, let's go back.
We need to fix this room now.
So we're going to my playroom.
Okay.
Guys, so where's my playroom? Here or
Yeah.
here or
Yeah, behind the couch. This side here.
here? This
Yeah.
going to my bed. Let's go.
Mm-hmm. No treasure?
The treasure.
Okay.
So let's go. Find some more treasure. A lot of treasure. So we're going. Wait. There's the couch.
You need to find it now.
Dad, where's the
Because
couch?
Mommy might find it though. That's the couch.
So let's go to
Bed.
here.
That's bedroom. Your bedroom.
Go. So what's that?
That's your bedroom. We just came there.
Let's go to the
Kitchen?
couch.
You're getting too far from the treasure.
I don't know where's the treasure. That's right here.
Oh. You need to find it now because we have to go to the church to pray for the gold. Let's go.
Oh, wait a minute.
What?
Wait,
That's not treasure, that's garbage.
Daddy, where's the carton?
Cartons?
Yeah.
Which one? This one here? This
Yes.
car?
No, I
It's
need
right
the
here.
carton.
The curtain? It's right here.
Oh.
That's the curtain.
What?
Yeah, it should be in there.
Yeah. So we was somewhere here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And then we're going like
To the
here. Curtain.
carton.
There.
To the
Good.
okay.
Ah. Oh, there's a lot of treasure in there.
There's no treasure here.
But there's no treasure.
So let's go.
Okay, go.
So we go to the carton.
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna go.
To the room.
Which one?
To that bedroom.
That bedroom.
Mm-hmm.
Okay then.
Maybe we can find the treasure there.
Is this our bedroom?
Yeah, I think so. You're the navigator. What's this? Daddy's computer?
Yeah, that's our bed.
Yeah. Then it's close to Daddy's computer then.
Daddy, where's our door?
I don't. This is the door right there.
Let's go. But we already got here.
Okay, let's check if Mommy's naked.
Okay, let's go to get. Daddy, let's go get the
Dili ako. Dili pwede. Oh, the treasure is there, not?
Daddy, can we draw? Where's the
You're here already. From here, we go there. So it's close to the treasure. Now you gotta have to look for the treasure.
You're warmer already.
Mm-hmm.
Mom?
Mm-hmm.
Around, look down,
Where is
to the side,
where's the cash?
and turn around. And then
Where's the money? Oh, you found the treasure!
We found money!
Yay! You found the treasure!
Where'd you get that money?
Yay! From mommy's purse.
Now we can have money.
You have money there? Really? I didn't know.
We have money. Can we
Yay!
do it again?
Later, we have to go to the church. Okay? Alright, bye guys.
I can mix it up. Dad, look at that. Dad, look at that.
Huh? Ooh.
But you just pretend.
What do you mean pretend?
You pretend.
Bakit ang late?
Kasi
Sobrang
espresso drink yan. Okay lang yan, matapang naman yan, kaya kang ipaglaban.
$3 to.
$3. Kasi espresso nga.
Tikman nga natin. Walang lasa.
Mom, can I
Kasi
have
if you want sugar daw, you can get sugar there.
Mom,
Oh,
can I have them?
macarons?
Not macaroni.
Oh, croissant.
No,
Croissant. Which one?
not croissant. That one.
Which one? On the picture. On the display.
Like the shell.
Guys, ibutangan na ako Slenda. Makakang coffee. Para matamis. O kuhan brown sugar. Let's do it. Cheers.
Where are you going now?
Pahitag yun. Pahitag yun ako.
Matapang nga yan.
Magluha-luha man ko na itong mataanis ka. Kuhan? Kapait?
I just want to squishy.
You can't get it.
Oh no, no.
You can play with it if you like.
Country? Where was it?
Spin lang. Can you spin it?
Just spin. Usam nila ang kape diri yung makasiga magmata. Gamay ra kay. Makasiga nagmata. More na siya. Tapos lemon tart. Lemon tart. Lami kayo guys. Ang presyo lami mag.
Barato ra, uy. $25 lang eh. Kanan?
Pila man ang $25.
Uy, muadto ka sa mga high tea store.
Ang $25 sa peso guys pila.
Per person, $80, $50.
That's 1,000 pesos.
Yeah, but it's good for two. Na, two drinks and then pastries. Ay, pagkadalis kayo mas barato ni dito compare sa lahat ng lugar.
Really?
Yes.
Kung dato ka Starbucks.
Di ka maka-order mga ani. Mapalit pa ka. Mapalit pa ka og daghan ng choices. Pero pala ko nga ito naka-order.
Nasa point.
Nakakaon pa mga dati yan ang kaon kanina. Mga nahihis ko. Favorite na
Ay,
yun.
siya. Mahilig pala siya sa ducklings. Ginati ko dari. Dagat eh. Guwapa nga babae sa mall. No? Kaso kay naman tay kuyog kani tigre kuyog na to di na magugta single so saan na lang man tama na lang itatanawan niyo pwede na pa kayo mga gwapa saan na lang murag ko nang lagi ato dato sa laing coffee shop kalang ba murag dakulangan ko sa akong kape gamay kay ang kape dito dato na lang ta kay basin mo makabarato pa ta dito kay dari mahal kay dito nan basin na yung mga chips pa dito
alam niyo po guys, yung batang to, ay napakabibong bata. Talagang nagsasayaw sa kung saan. Gustong-gusto talagang magala sa mall at saka kahit saan pag may time kami. Yung time na pag lumalabas kami, gusto niya talagang sumakay sa mga ganitong rides. Kaya binibigyan ko talaga siya ng time na maging bata. Kasi minsan lang sila bata, right?
Nag-tour sa aming aning bataan, gina-tour ko niya. Kaya di man siya pwede masakay niya, siya lang usa direct. So, pinanglan ko yung sila ang device.
Bawal nga pala yung mga batang sumakay dito guys na mag-isa. Pero meron din naman ibang establishment na talagang pinapayagan na sila lang nagdadrive. Kagaya ng sa mall.